How to post TikTok draft video. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. So once you are here, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok from where you can discover various TikTok videos. So in order to post a draft video, you need to go to your draft section. For that, you can tap on the profile option in the right bottom corner. And here you'll be able to see your profile as well as the video on your draft. So you can tap on the draft video that you want to post, and once again you have to tap over that. And if you want to edit the videos, then you can edit from over here, and once you are done editing the video, you can go for next, and you'll be able to see the text field where you can enter your caption or the thoughts within 4000 characters. You can write anything that you want, and you can also enter the hashtag from over here. If you want to mention your friend, then you can tap on the mention option and you can search for your friends and tag them. You can also enter the link or another videos over here. But before posting, you need to make sure that you selected the video to public. So you can go for the second option, which is only you can view this post option. And from over here, you have to set for follower. Here my account is private, that's why one option is not over here. If your profile is public, there also will be everyone option. You have to simply set for everyone, and everyone on TikTok will be able to see your video. And you can go for more options video, from where you can manage your privacy. If you want to allow comments, then you can simply turn it on. And further, if you want to allow high quality upload, you can turn it on. And here are many more options. You can turn it on according to your wish. And once you're done, you have to go for post option in the right bottom corner. And after a few seconds, you can see the video that I have uploaded has been available over here. So my followers will be able to see the video. So this is how you post a TikTok draft videos. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.